Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Education Allowing. Let's fly with success. Today is 21st November 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination because current affair plays an important role in all competitive exam. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And those who first visit Educational Doing, a humble request to them, please subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay, let's proceed. This was our previous two questions. We have to answer it first. Our first question was Asia's first solar power enabled textile mill unveiled in which state? Gujarat, Maharashtra, Odisha, or option D Uttarakhand? The correct answer here is option B Maharashtra. Recently, the Asia's first solar power enabled textile mill to be unveiled in the Maharashtra Parvani district. Parvani district. Okay, Maharashtra is in news. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Chief Minister is Uddhav Thackeray, and Bhagat Singh Koshyari is the governor of Maharashtra. And remember one thing, Bhagat Singh Koshyari also the governor of Goa also. Okay. Our second question was, who is appointed as brand ambassador of Equitas Small Finance Bank? Smriti Mandhana, Mitali Raj, Rosnara Parveen, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Smriti Mandhana. Recently, the Equitas Small Finance Bank appoints Smriti Mandhana as brand ambassador for a women-centered product, EVA. For the product EVA, Smriti Mandhana is a famous Indian women cricketer. Okay, and the headquarters of the Equitas Small Finance Bank is situated in Chennai, and the managing director of the Equitas Small Finance Bank is Vasudevan Patangi Narasimha. Vasudevan Patangi Narasimha. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when World Children's Day is observed? 20 November, 21st November, 18 August, or option D, 15 October? Can you guess the answer here? The correct answer here is 20 November. Every year on 20 November, World Children's Day is observed. The day is celebrated to promote the international togetherness, awareness among children worldwide. Worldwide. Okay. And another day also celebrated on 20 November, that is Africa Industrialization Day. Africa Industrialization Day also celebrated on 20 November. Okay. Next question. Who has released a My Stamp on Chhath Puja? Narendra Modi, Ravi Shankar Prasad, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, or option D, none of these. As per you see the image of Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad, so the correct answer here is option B, Ravi Shankar Prasad. Recently, Ravi Shankar Prasad, the Union Minister of Communication, Electronics and Information Technology and Law and Justice, has released a My Stamp on Chhath Puja. Okay, My Stamp is an initiative concept initiated by Department of Post. Remember, the My Stamp is this initiative by taken by Department of Post. Okay, and it is released by recently Ravi Shankar Prasad. Next question. Who is conferred with Vatayan Lifetime Achievement Award? Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, S. Jaishankar, Prakash Javadekar, or option D, Amit Shah? The correct answer here is Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. So option A is correct here. Recently, Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank will be conferred with the Vatayan Lifetime Achievement Award. This award will be conferred to the Minister for Writing, Poetry and other library works. For other library works, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank got the Vatayan Lifetime Achievement Award. Okay, remember this. Okay, remember this. You can see here the image of Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Okay, next question. World Bank signed 120 million project to improve connectivity in which state? Meghalaya, Assam, Jharkhand, or option D, Rajasthan? Can you guess the answer here? The correct answer here is Meghalaya. So option A is correct here. Recently, the government of India, the government of Meghalaya and World Bank has signed a $120 million project to improve modernize the transport sector of Meghalaya. Modernize the transport sector of Meghalaya. Okay. Meghalaya is in news. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. Konrad Sangma is the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and Satyapal Malik is the Governor of Meghalaya. Satyapal Malik. Okay. Previously, Satyapal Malik is the Governor of Goa, but recently Satyapal Malik is appointed as the Governor of Meghalaya, and Bhagat Singh Koshyari, the Governor of Maharashtra, take the additional charge of Goa. Okay. Next question. This is the facts about World Bank. The headquarters of the World Bank is situated in Washington DC. President is David Malpass, and the World Bank is founded in 1944. You can see here the President of World Bank, David Malpass. Next question. Barclays projects India's GDP to contract by how much percentage? -8%, -7%, -6.4%, option D -10%. The correct answer here is -6.4%. Option C is correct here. Recently, Barclays has revised down its GDP forecast for India in the current fiscal year 2020 and 21 to -6.4%. From its earlier estimate, it's -6%. Its earlier estimate is -6%, but recently it is revised to -6.4%. Okay. Next question. What is the rank of India in Trace Brewery Risk Matrix 2020? 50, 77, 65, or option D 80? The correct answer here is 77. So option B is correct here. India is placed 77th position in the Trace Brewery Risk Matrix 2020. In 2019, India's rank is 78. Remember, in 2019, India's rank is 78, but recently improved by one position. It is 77. Next question. Unlock Learning Initiative implemented in which state? Started in which state now? Chhattisgarh, Assam, Maharashtra, or option D Bihar? This initiative is started in Maharashtra. Okay. Recently in Maharashtra, an Unlock Learning Initiative is being implemented for the Ashram School for the academic session 2020 and 21. For this session. Okay. Maharashtra. Next question. Who is inaugurated the GST Bhavan in Panchkula? M. Ajit Kumar, Prashant Samal, Anil Jain, or option D none of these? The answer here is CBIC Chairman M. Ajit Kumar. Recently, CBIC Chairman M. Ajit Kumar along with members of the board inaugurated the GST Bhavan in Panchkula, Haryana. The Panchkula is in Haryana. Okay. And CBIC Chairman, I told you, CBIC, the abbreviation of the CBIC is Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customers. Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customers. It is launched in Haryana. Okay. Haryana is in news. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. Manohar Lal Khattar is the Chief Minister of Haryana, and Satyanarayan Arya is the Governor of Haryana. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. The Republican Ethic Volume 3 and Loktantra Ke Swar unveiled by whom? Narendra Modi, Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah, or option D none of these? The correct answer here is Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. Recently, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has unveiled the two books, The Republican Ethic Volume 3 and Loktantra Ke Swar, which are a collection of the selected speech of President Ramnath Kovind. This book is on speech of Ramnath Kovind during the third year of his presidency. Okay, during the third year of his presidency, the selected speech are in the book, two books. Remember, the book is The Republican Ethic Volume 3 and Loktantra Ke Swar. Next question. Question number 10. Vijayanagara became the 31st district of which state? Recently, a new district of Vijayanagara became the 31st district of which state? Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, or option D Tamil Nadu? The correct answer here is Karnataka. Option C is correct here. Recently, Vijayanagara became the 31st district of Karnataka, and the World Heritage Site Hampi. You know Hampi, a World Heritage Site, the capital of the Vijayanagara Empire. Previously in history you read it. The Hampi is now in a new district. The district name is Vijayanagar. Okay. Karnataka is in news. The capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. Chief Minister is B.S. Yedurappa, and Vajubhai Vala is the governor of Karnataka. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. As per this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is, Gau cabinet launched in which state for the protection of cow? Our second question is, former governor of which state Mridula Sinha passed away? Please try to answer in the comment section, thereby regular practice is done by you. It is very much helpful in your competitive examination, because if you give the answer in the comment section in a comprehensive way, it is very much helpful for you. Okay. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. If you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby many students got help. And those who first visit Educational Wing, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Also press the bell icon and all notification. Thereby you can got the notification very fast. Thank you. Have a great day.